Today, we're going to walk through the process to set up ActiveCaptain and pair your compatible mobile device to your Garmin Marine device. For this process, you will need a Class 10 SD or micro SD card no greater than 32 gigabytes to use as your ActiveCaptain memory card. It is recommended to purchase a micro SD card that comes with a full-size adapter, as this will allow use with any of our devices. We're going to perform this process on an Apple device, but the steps are very similar on an Android device. First, navigate to the App Store to locate and download the ActiveCaptain app. Open the ActiveCaptain app once the download is complete. Read and agree to the terms. Select Continue. If you do not already have an ActiveCaptain account, select Create one and fill out the information. Otherwise, enter your Garmin account's email and password and select Next. Select OK to enable Bluetooth permissions. Select OK to allow local network access. The app will now offer to take you on a tour of the features. Either follow the tour or hit Skip. For this video, we will select Skip. Select Allow to enable notifications. Once you complete the tour, it will take you to the home page of the app. We now need to set up ActiveCaptain on your compatible Garmin device. On a GPS Map Series device, press the Home button. Then, select the Vessel tab. Now, find and select ActiveCaptain. Select Wi-Fi network. Toggle Wi-Fi on and select OK to configure the Wi-Fi for the first time. Name your Garmin device Wi-Fi. Make sure to give the network a unique name to avoid confusing it with other nearby networks. Select Done. Now create a password. This should be at least 8 characters long. Select Done. Now we need to connect your mobile device to your Garmin device's Wi-Fi network. Navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. Find and select your device's Wi-Fi network. Type in the password that you created earlier and select Join. Navigate back to the ActiveCaptain app. Your mobile device will now connect to your chartplotter. Once connected, the chartplotter will say that a new ActiveCaptain user was added. Confirm that this is the correct account and select Yes. And then Done. Select OK. Now we will create the ActiveCaptain card. Insert the card into your unit. Now press Select Card. Highlight the card you want to use and press Select. You will now be asked to format the card. This is recommended, but will completely erase everything on the card. It is not recommended to use a pre-programmed chart card for this purpose. Select Yes to confirm completely erasing the card. The device will now create the ActiveCaptain memory card. You have now connected your mobile device to your Garmin device, registered your unit, and created the ActiveCaptain memory card. You can now follow the prompts for additional setup steps to enable more features within ActiveCaptain. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.